Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Steam fatal error on Windows. First, click the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. Type date and time in the search bar and select Date and Time Settings. In the window that opens, make sure the option Set Time Automatically is turned on. If it is already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. This refreshes your system clock. Next, make sure your time zone is correct. Under Time Zone, choose the region you are in. If you are not sure, Windows can set it automatically when you toggle on Set Time Zone Automatically. Now scroll down and click the button that says Sync Now. This forces Windows to check the internet and update your time and date instantly. Once that is done, close the settings window and restart Steam. The fatal error should now be fixed because Steam needs the correct time and date to connect to its servers. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.